Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to remove text from photos with the help of Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have our image and we have to remove this text. Right click on the background layer and choose duplicate layer. Hit OK. Select the magic wand tool from the toolbar. You can select any of the selection tool. Click on the text with the solid color. If you want to select more, increase the tolerance amount. Now, click on different parts which you want to add to the selection. To undo a selection, just hold the Alt or Option key and click on that part you want to remove. Slowly and gradually select the areas. When done, go to Select, Modify and choose Expand. With a value of around 15 pixels, hit OK. As you do that, some extras will be selected, which will help in better removal. Select the rectangular marquee tool, right-click on the canvas and select Fill. Choose Content Aware and hit OK. And that's how you can remove any text from a picture in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.